Hey coin collectors! Today we're talking about the 1986D Roosevelt Dime, a coin you might have in your pocket without even realizing its value. This dime was minted in Denver in 1986 and features the classic Roosevelt design on the front and the iconic torch, olive branch, and oak branch on the back. Most 1986D dimes are common, but some rare errors and high-grade coins can be worth much more than face value. If your dime is in uncirculated condition or has a mint error, it could be a hidden treasure for collectors. Keep an eye out for unusual markings, doubled dies, or unusual strikes. These can make your coin very valuable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to support our channel. Rare coins and lost antiques. Stay tuned for more rare coin finds and antique treasures.